Welcome to Space Time. Today, we venture into a tantalizing topic. What will we eat on the moon? The food is literally out of this world. Hey everyone, it's Space Time from Space Time. As humanity prepares to make giant leaps back to the moon and beyond, one burning question remains. What are we going to eat out there? From pasta made from thin air to protein bars crafted in space, the future of food is here, and it's fascinating. Let's dive deep into the cosmic kitchen and explore the innovative culinary solutions being developed for space travel. NASA's Artemis program is set to send astronauts back to the moon within the next 2 years. The International Space Station, originally designed to orbit for 15 years, is now in its 26th year and soon to be replaced. As we set our sights on deep space missions and even space tourism, the question of food becomes ever more critical. Back in the days of the Apollo missions, astronauts were eating out of squeeze tubes and foil packets. The food was functional, but not exactly gourmet. Fast forward to today, and the culinary landscape of space food has dramatically evolved. Food is something that keeps astronauts sane. Good, proper food with a lot of variety, tailored to the needs of individual astronauts, is crucial for a successful deep space mission. People often underestimate its importance. Currently, astronauts rely on prepackaged meals that are freeze-dried, dehydrated, or thermostabilized. They add water to rehydrate and heat these meals. But there's a catch. No crumbs allowed. Anything that crumbles, like bread, is a big no-no in space due to the low-gravity environment. NASA has even launched a deep space food challenge to innovate new ways to create food in space with minimal resources and waste. Imagine making food from thin air. That's what Solar Foods, a Finnish company, is doing with an edible microbe that thrives on carbon dioxide, hydrogen, and oxygen. We make food out of thin air, quite literally. Our protein can be blended with various flavors and textures to create nutritious food like pasta, protein bars, and even egg replacements. Solar Foods protein can be turned into a paste or powder and mixed with flour and other ingredients to create all kinds of space-friendly foods. They're even experimenting with 3D printing to create textures similar to steak. Fresh food is also a must. The ISS has a tiny vegetable garden called Veggie, where astronauts study plant growth in microgravity. This research is crucial because vitamin tablets alone aren't enough for long missions. Fresh produce can make a huge difference in an astronaut's diet and overall health. The Veggie Garden has successfully grown a variety of crops, including lettuce, radishes, and zinnias. These experiments help scientists understand how plants can adapt to the unique challenges of growing in space. We're learning a lot about how plants respond to microgravity. This research is paving the way for future missions where growing our own food will be essential for long-term survival. Back on Earth, innovative systems like the Interstellar Lab's bioregenerative modules in Florida are pushing the boundaries of what we can grow in space. These systems are designed to produce microgreens, vegetables, mushrooms, and even insects in a controlled environment. Our bioregenerative system aims to create a sustainable and closed-loop food production process. This technology is not only useful for space missions, but also has applications for sustainable agriculture on Earth. One thing that seems likely is that the future of space food will include fungi. 3 of the 6 finalists in the NASA Deep Space Food Challenge are working on ideas around fungi, including Mycorrhiza of Gothenburg, Sweden. Fungi is very versatile. It can grow on different substrates, it grows fast, and it's robust against radiation. It's a perfect candidate for space food systems. Mycorrhiza's fungi-based protein can be 3D printed to create food with a texture similar to chicken. It's packed with all essential amino acids, making it a complete protein source for astronauts. And it's not just about survival. Chefs like Rasmus Monk of Alchemist are teaming up with space tourism companies to offer gourmet experiences on private space flights. Imagine enjoying a Michelin star meal while gazing at Earth from the edge of space. But it's not just about what we'll eat in space. The innovations from the NASA Deep Space Food Challenge are set to revolutionize food production on Earth too. These advancements could help address food scarcity and sustainability issues, turning waste into valuable resources. Our project aims at resource efficiency both in space and on Earth. Almost no emissions, almost no waste. If it works in space, it'll work on Earth. As we push the boundaries of space exploration, the food we eat will play a crucial role in our success. The future of space food is not only exciting, but also holds immense potential for improving life here on Earth. So, what do you think about the future of space food? Would you try a protein bar made from thin air or a 3D printed steak? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more amazing content on Spacetime. Thanks for watching Spacetime, where we explore the final frontier, one bite at a time.